Hi, and welcome to Rockin Pricing. I'm Kurt Robertson. I'm the creator of Rockin Pricing. And one of the things that I want to do here is be able to set up some vendors. And what we're going to do is look at the vendor setup. Now, one of the things that we're going to need to do in this part, since the settings over here were all global, meaning that uh, one set of data is used in all the records. We didn't need to create any more records for that. Now we will though. So we're going to click on the little blue address book, which is vendor information. And vendor information basically is address information, website information, their email, all sorts of that stuff. So where if you have their email address, you need to email them. You can always highlight it and copy it and then paste it into your web email program. More than likely your web email program will remember it. The alliedphoto.com, that you can click on and it'll go to their website, so you can also contact them or have whatever sort of interaction with them that you need there. Now, all of these things are pretty self-explanatory. Your account number and shipping policy and such are down here. It's a good idea to keep your account number handy because sometimes places are going to ask for that. Now, Joy and Kim know my account number probably by heart at Allied, but at most places where I'm interacting with, they don't. So I always like to have that handy. Now, vendor category is the one thing that you're going to fill out that's a little unique. And if you click next to there, you're going to see different types of vendors. So you're going to have a lab company, an album company, a packaging company, shipping, etc. If you need to add any ones that are not on here, just click on Edit. And it'll give you the list here. You just hit Return and then type in New Vendor. And we're just going to click there, and now you'll see New Vendor down here. I wouldn't actually use New Vendor, that's just for your benefit. Now where it says Catalog, this allows you to store a PDF catalog in with their record if they have one. Most places anymore are getting so internet savvy with their things that they are not going to have as PDF catalogs, but if a vendor does, you can store it in this part by clicking on the PDF file. It'll ask you to locate the file, click on that, and then it'll put it into here. Now, one other thing that this can do is you can import the vendors. If you already have the vendors, let's say in your address book for the computer, you can export them and you can import them directly into here. And the way that that's done, just click Import Vendors. It's telling you it's looking for comma-separated text files, but it will do any of these sort of files. Usually, most of the time, you're in tab-separated or comma-separated text. I use comma-separated text just to keep my life a little easier. This program is working with Studio Cloud, and comma-separated text are the standard there, so I usually try and keep everything the same. Let's cancel out of that. And that's pretty much all there is for vendor information. Now, the one thing you will need to do every time is click New Record. So you want to click a new record, you want to type it in, and this screen will show you how many records that you have. Right now it's showing me we have 3 records. You can delete a record if you want, which we're going to delete that one that we just created, and this other one as well. And you can sort them, you can find them and such. Finding ability is kind of a neat thing in FileMaker. A lot of programs call this filtering, but this program is written in a program called FileMaker, and it's called Finding. And I really love Finding because there's 2 ways you can do it. One is over here with the kind of universal search where you don't need to type in directly into the field you're going to type in up here. The other way is to click here. And how that works is that you're going to click, and this is why I want you to type in categories, on what category, say for instance, and we're going to hit enter and it'll come up with Allied Photographic. But any other labs that you would have in as well would also come in. So where, let's say you had Allied, Burrell, and Miller's, well, it'd bring all of them in. Now let's say you wanted just to find Allied. Well, a more unique value for Allied is their name. So we would just go to click find, go down to here, and click the first couple letters of their name, or type it in, excuse me, and you will go to Allied Photographic that way. So once again, it's very easy to use. You get a little practice at it. It's excellent. This will show you how many records are found and unsorted. There's only one record in here now, but if we click another one, it says it's all of them are found, so we're showing them all essentially. If we click there and click Allied in again to look for just Allied, it will find one and it'll say no, there's 2 records, but 1 is found. So anyways, that's all there is. So I will meet you on the next movie. Once again, thanks you for purchasing Rockin Pricing, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.